Morning, everybody. Hi. Today's video, my dog. No, I just put makeup on. So I just woke up and put makeup on for the purpose of this video, so I don't look too scary. But I'm filming a what I eat in a day video because I did an Instagram poll yesterday. If you don't follow me on Insta, I'll have it linked below. A lot of people requested this video, so I thought I'd film it for you guys. I'm really excited to film it. I'm also really hungry right now. So I'm gonna make breakfast. And that's typically avocado toast all day, every day. I use this, it's just Ezekiel bread, but I like the sesame one, and then obviously you need an avocado and an egg. And then get an egg and put your heat all the way up. This is how you make the most fire fried egg. All the way, spray it with a little Pam. Oh my god, I saw this TikTok recently where apparently if you drop an egg in your pan from above, it cracks perfectly. I'm totally gonna try that. That just doesn't work. Oh my god. It worked! I like to turn off the heat after I flip it because then it leaves it still sort of runny, but it's still cooking just from the excess heat. And then your toast should be ready, and I'm gonna make the avocado mixture really quick and I'll show you how it's very delicious and takes 3 minutes. First, you're gonna put half an avocado in. I typically just take a fork and mash it. Not too much though, because then it will get gross. And then you're gonna take a little lemon and put it in there, a little salt. I'll show you, fuck it. Okay, and then I just take the smallest bit of lemon, put her in. I'm gonna mix that up. Put it on. Smell good? And then just lay it on. It's really hard to film this without using my other hand, but you get the gist. Now I'm gonna take a little bit of olive oil and just drizzle that on top of the toast. This makes it so much better. Also, I feel because this bread is more dry than your average white or wheat or sourdough. But I like that it's crunchy, but I don't like that it's dry. So I just do a little olive oil, or a lot. So now what I do is I put a little salt. You can add pepper. I don't really like the taste of pepper. I don't know if people are gonna think I'm weird for that. I don't really care. Chili flakes. This. Everything but the bagel seasoning. This stuff is so good. This one's not the Trader Joe's one, but I ran out of that. She is crispy. And yeah, that's it. That's all I do. It's pretty simple. Slayed. Hi everybody. It's now almost 2 o'clock. It's 1:45 and I'm hungry. I'm gonna make lunch now. I don't know what we have in the pantry or the fridge, so we're gonna wing it. I don't have anything specific. I didn't plan this out, you know? I'll come back when I figure out what I'm making. Okay, so sad discovery, we actually don't, oh my hair looks awful.
Don't have any food?
Yeah.
Yeah.
None.
I'm so confused. I am I'm gonna make myself lunch. I was like, you're not gonna be able to.
Wish you would have spoke up. So I'm gonna just snack on something because I'm really hungry. I think I'm just gonna have chips. What are these?
Carrot chips.
I'm gonna eat these and then order a salad.
Will you order me a salad?
Sure.
Ida?
Yes. Woo! Okay, this is lunch. It just got here. It's just a salad. I think I had it in one of my my Band-Aid. I had this in another vlog and everybody was saying it looked bland. And so the fact that they wrote no onion in bold across it doesn't help my case. But you know, I'm a bland girl. What can I say? And this is the dressing. So the dressing is just olive oil and lemon, but you can make your own dressing. This is the only dressing I even like, actually, not even for health reasons, just because I'm picky. And then we shake her up. That plant is dying, sorry. It's not mine, it's Bella's. I did not sign up to be a plant mom. Is there such thing as having too much avocado in one day? They put so much in here and I had a lot for breakfast. I didn't know they were real vegetables. It's sweet potato, a parsnip. I don't know the rest of these ruby dipped vegetables. Tonight, my brother and I are having dinner and we're gonna cook together. I don't know if he's gonna be in it. Don't know if he cares about that type of stuff. Never really asked him, but I'm just gonna film it anyway because it's my brother and I don't care. I'm not even saying this because he's my brother. He has this brand called Smart Tarts and it's like Pop-Tarts, but they're healthy. Oh my god, the cinnamon flavor, the strawberry and the blueberry. And it's like high in protein and stuff. It's like no corn syrup. I'll link them down below. It's dinner time. Already had a mental breakdown, but now we're gonna cook. I'm vlogging.
You're going through the biggest pivot of all time. You're doing a very good job doing it.
Thank you. We're gonna make chicken Milanese. I'm gonna make chicken parm for my brother Gianni, and then I picked up some of this pasta I really like, Bonza, and it's made from chickpeas. I've convinced myself it's healthy. I have no idea. I haven't read anything. Oh, it actually says it on the back. The difference between this and regular. Who knows? Okay, we have flour, breadcrumbs, eggs. Dip it in this first, and then the eggs, and the breadcrumbs, and then we fry it. open and see if it was cooked. I think this is cooked, right? Looks cooked. Some pasta. Wow, and a slice of pizza.
How's that for just
carb overload? Come on, focus. I'm gonna end the vlog. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I really appreciate you guys tuning in. And leave me more requests down below. I'm gonna do a haul soon. I'm gonna do outfit ideas. I'm gonna do whatever else you guys wanna see. So you just let me know and I got you covered. Okay, love you. Thanks for watching. Bye.